Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the cranes that are used for the construction of Donkey Kong. It's only cranes. Did you hear that? That's the sound of the drilling for the Donkey Kong area. Let's hear that one more time. Yeah! That is the sound of Donkey Kong! So actually the cranes that are used for the Donkey Kong area construction is very clearly visible from the lake in the Harry Potter area. So I'm gonna go over there and show you guys how clear it is. So hey guys, that's the Donkey Kong construction site, and then the crane is moving. You know, actually the cranes are very colorful, you know. Here it's like green and red, and this one is like black and orange. Could that be could that symbolize the Donkey Kong, something like color? Or maybe the Donkey Kong's fur or something? Maybe it could be, or it couldn't be. Wow. I could even hear the sound. They're making the Donkey Kong, you know. I can hear the all these construction noises. It's so nice. And then we could see the Super Mario Nintendo World over there. Oh, so exciting. Okay, now I'm heading for the Nintendo World now. So I'll give you another update when I see this again. Here we go.